Okay, so we've got a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe Elite. Turbo diesel, SUV, automatic, pearl white in colour. Got the reverse camera there as well. The vehicle's only travelled 33,000 kilometres, has a full service history. I've got the alloy wheels there with 4 very good tyres, tinted windows, and the vehicle will be sold with 6 months New South Wales registration, unless sold in the state. Take a look at the interior. We've got 2 remote keys. We've got the cruise control, dual airbags, radio controls, 33,000 Ks, big colour screen, reverse camera, dual zone climate air, automatic transmission. Interior seat trim, pretty much like brand new. The vehicle is fitted with side airbags as well. There's your middle row seats there, all looking pretty good. And then you've got the third row in the back. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.